Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have February's Zenpop box unboxing video for you, and here is the QR code if you want to follow along at home. Okay, so the theme is apparently called Possum Buddies, so it sounds very like animal themed, which I am all for because I love animals so much. Oh, okay, I can already see there's a lot of puppies in here. So starting off with some sticker flakes. They kind of look like washi tape stickers. Let's open up and just have a quick look. I feel like you can get a better idea on all the designs from the back here, but they feel kind of washi tape, a little plasticky, but washi tape-esque. Oh my god, that's so cute. That is so adorable, and I just love puppies. I mean, I have a lot of cats, but I still do really love dogs, even though I think I owned a dog for like a week. It was a stray dog that decided to stay at our house, and so I looked after it for a week, but at the time I was still quite young, so my parents said I couldn't keep it, so we had to give it up to the RSPCA. But RSPCA, yeah, that's right. But I've always thought about him in little Jack Russell, and man, if I found one today, totally keeping him. Okay, so book band pencil case. Oh, okay, so you kind of hook it to a book or your planner or whatever have you, and it also holds your pens. That's kind of cool, to be honest. Oops. Oh, there you go. So you kind of have a band that you can wrap around a book, and then at the front you can have your pens sitting here, which is really nice. The only downside to me is that I actually like to have my books lie completely flat, so I think I'd have to keep taking this off. So that's kind of a personal preference thing. We have a couple pens, so I'll test these at the end of the video. And then, oh, we have like these little standing post-it notes. Okay, you kind of fold it up like this. Ah, there we go, even better. You can like leave little notes. That's really cute. Letter set. I think I got a comment a little while back about the fact that a lot of these subscription boxes have so many letter sets, and it's kind of redundant, and I couldn't actually agree more. I kind of fall into the same category. I see lots and lots of letter sets, but I personally don't send that many letters, especially these are tiny, so these are like little notes you'd leave for people. The concept is great, but I mean, we live in a digital age now where we basically just send texts and emails and stuff like that, so it's usually only for special occasions like birthdays or Christmases or whatever. So I do kind of wish that they would phase out the letter sets or give you little notepads with decorative paper so you could use that instead, because I feel a little wasteful. I tend to keep the paper and then I use it to decorate planners or scrapbooking with, but I mean, I feel like it's just a waste of the letter set. So my 2 cents. Oh, I know this brand. Little notepad, a little A6 notepad book, I should say, notebook. The thing about this, I have so many of these notebooks because they're actually very functional. You can refill them or switch out the pages, so it is kind of like a ring bound planner. So you just do that, pull them, and then it opens up, and then you can take the paper out, and then you just kind of squish it back together and you're done. It's so good. I love these sort of notebooks. I can't go back to a regular spiral notebook. I can only use these ones because I'm so used to now not worrying about the order in which I write things, and I can just flip them out. But also when I fill up a notebook, I'll buy one of these like really big versions. You can buy them separately where they're really thick and kind of archive my notes, but I can still keep using the notebook. So I feel like, I don't know, it just feels less wasteful. I don't know if it is or not, but it just feels like it. But if I like a particular notebook, like the cover and everything, I can just keep going and using it. So love these sort of notebooks. Oh, we have a little friction stamp. So I'll test this with the pen. And then last one are some stickers, which are written up a little. Let me see if I can push them down. Oh, they're like washi tape stickers, to be honest. They're actually really flat. Love them. The design is just a bunch of different animals. Like got some pigs, rabbits, kittens, penguins. It's really cute. Oh, and it's from Midori. Okay, I was gonna say it looks kind of familiar, Midori. All right, let's go test out those pens. So let's test out the stamp first. You've got a little paw for the stamp. my gosh, it's so cute. Adorable. And then because it's friction, you can literally just rub it out. Although, okay, there you go. I thought it was smudging the ink for a second, but yeah, you can rub it out. And then we have this color tone, two color pen. And then next we have this Pilot pen, Ilmili. I haven't actually heard of this range before, but it sounds like it's two colors. You've got grape and lavender. So how does that work? It's a highlighter. That looks like the grape side. How do I get lavender? Do I have to do something? It's just friction though, right? I just rub it up. Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay, and then if you rub it, you get the lavender color. I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I had to rub pretty hard. I don't know if you can see some like indenting in the paper. Cool concept. Not sure the execution is perfect. I wouldn't really want to be pressing that hard on all my paper. And this is quite thick. This is probably like, I don't know, 150 GSM or something like that. It's actual sketch paper. So, don't know. I don't think this is something I'm gonna love. I mean, I don't like friction in general, so probably not. And you can see there's nothing, I bleed through anything, but yeah. Interesting concept, I'll say that. Very interesting. And then this next pen is Blen, B-L-E-N. Don't think I've heard of that brand before. Seems like a regular pen. Oh yeah, it's like a regular ballpoint pen. It's really comfortable. A really comfortable regular ballpoint pen. Just before I let you guys go, I did double check because I was like, this seems a little odd for a regular ballpoint pen, so I did a little bit of reading. This is not supposed to be any regular ballpoint pen. There's something, it's like technology in the pen where it absorbs vibration. So when you write on paper, there's always a little bit of vibration that kind of reverbs back into the pen, into your fingers, and apparently that strains your hand over time. So for this one, you can do a lot of writing, and I'm actually very keen to try this out. Write for a long time, and it's supposed to allow you to write for longer because it is removing that vibration back into your hand, and so in a sense, it becomes less strained and you become less stressed. I mean, I did mention that it did feel like it wrote really smoothly. I don't know whether there'd be a tangible difference over a long period of time. I don't generally write with ballpoint pens. This is 0.7 ballpoint. I tend to use gel pens, but I am really keen maybe to do some, maybe my cousin, when I write like a journal entry or something, I might just switch over to this pen for a little bit and just see if there's a notable difference. But anyways, that was the reason. That's the unique thing about this particular pen. And that is pretty much everything in the box. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.